Monfa mu Jimmy na me melanchi kwasi ampani ni UK na wo bebekọ no. Osofo Jimmy fo dwedwentwie UK na wo bebekọ no. Me mra na me for secret odi ko UK ne mra meto abonte. Aboa odu migration ayo wo hwie ni bag ngu ho. Odu migration wo wan search na hwo ase. Also ma Jimmy me tuana me yedi aya na mompe 1k momo love no so. Me tuana me yedi aya na mompe. My video me mebo mudin. You get the 2 minutes so baba betwa me video akotro caption say maami we abodam ma kwa me gym na metwa me picture abeto abonte ma abodam kwasia mo sofo kronfo na waje covenant seed atuto yi di koke e di ko UK no onu krompo no odam ho mu de mo fa mu chimiem na me say member ni na kwantuo no obe sign by force.
Mema wakwaba eba Skeleton Man TV. So Skeleton Man TV ana wushi. Se we your first time abomodia subscribe me notification isu send any time bia ye di video betu mo so nsa be kan wanye bia share uhwe comment fa ho kire wadwen efa video no ho abusua like video no na share emo bia nso enya binhwe midase bebre abusua ye hu video bi se chese eni nam social media so a obia ye den obia ka ho asem na video ben na abusua na amanfo e ka ho asem sa eye Agradaa mama part abozege mama obofour dadie fa wa meka me a me meka Agradaa ana trese anopetutu abusua o sorry say oye jogging e woni fie honom na atade bia na ehye no eno ana akofa nsem no nyina ayede aba na abusua uhwe video no so e ba ye na trese pai nipa bebre ebi ene Afia Schwar&Tracy Boakye na ebusua Afia Schwar&Tracy ukone Instagram page a ebusua ono aka chese wabo Agradaa abaso papa ema Tracy Boakye so ba Afia Schwar page honom bekasaye na de Afia Schwar eka ye nie o say exercising the body and the soul. Go, Agra. You are doing the work of God in full force. Warriors here. Anna Tracy Boakye so betro say, I was about to send it to you on WhatsApp. Na chesenko be sending video no ayeden akoma Afia Schwar ewo WhatsApp. Or say, this year we all keeping faith. Utimu say yes, Agradaa waede wa inspire omo pa na busua Agradaa esa tutu bi eyeden ema ne nkofu bi eye sister coach Maame Ngege ana Rev Owusu Bempah say sister coach akoke kan nsem afa the jogging video na abusua odi betu social media no na Maame Ngege nso akoka se die Agradaa ye no wabodama nisa abusua mudie mumien kohwe video no mumien kohwe ni wie a ensem a Agradaa bekan ye no ye di ato amuso.
Who say mama parts no day? Who said the queen of the Facebook no day? I did 24/7. I did stay BB. Me kwa me the Facebook na she me boto. Me ba na me diapa. Me kwa na me de ko. Me ba na me diapa. What am I saying? We lead, they follow. If we are not there, nobody can do what we will do. Nobody can act as we act. Nobody can talk as we talk. Nobody can manipulate the media as we manipulate. What am I saying? I love you. We manipulate the media. We turn the media. God has given us the power to turn the media as we want. All of a sudden, mama, that is the power of me. Or see, you are break power. What am I say? That is the power of me. And then my shaking media, no so TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Just short video. Me video me anka sa me call me gym na me ya me warm up na me fear nim na me koba na me kotso na me sorry, just short video. Was it Agradaa, we need more trending video. We need more trending video. What then Pastor Odo they eat correct meat. What am I say? Bola no so na share video no. Now most I am here to react on the video I post. Most what are there? What are the stupidity people talking about the video I posted? And what are the enyansafo talking about the video I posted? What must I say? And the masanka wiem. Mama Facebook will say me, I am the queen. And the whole world has seen that I am the queen. And I manipulate the media as I want. If I want to turn the media into right, I turn it. If I want to turn it into left, I turn it. I manipulate the media as I want. I am the game changer. Once ensuo betwanem from a decline. What am I saying? Ensuo betwanem from a decline. Me de me want take Accra. Na me nkoti amose den. Enkwasiafo be se omo na monya study o. Monya study na mo say me media no so nobody can shout me down. Me madie bi hear me. And I decided say enyo kwasiasem bia na I will give attention to it. I decide it myself say enyo kwasiasem bia and I will put my attention to it. It's a Jimmy phobia omo te was say omo saying for stubborn academic for kameme manual to akos jai Jimmy you know akos jai Jimmy you know sister u Jimmy too much Jimmy she media na what so no we Jimmy bebre but I am in few but u Jimmy where u Jimmy na cause it's getting too much also sometimes me buy and me no aba be di agora but u Jimmy no air doso on kwase asema na obetena se a okeka on kwase asema betena se say stubborn academy for kameme manual to me now stubborn academy for no wo a wo de ho no mu di wachi akos wa wo de ho no omu di wachi wanka sa wo de ho no stubborn academy for no omo reject o omo pamo because of okro no and waza audit media no so akos because of okro no and waza audit media no so usa media no so no you are always making yourself say we are obi a wo kan okre the obeka no obi anyi but you are the most thief on the media. Shekwa wo the media na manipulating crofo bon crofo krono obetina media no so se wo begigi ska koboa domrek sister cause sika refa he wo ye kromfo obetina media no so a aya wo ne wo college no okrono na wabo wo media no so se wo nua ba edeja montage akos na menkanya asasam nkyere no ne ni nkwase asam na obetina the page no so say stubborn academy for kameme matum sister we jimi papa brana menkanya asasam nkyere no this time no my emergency say ye kodi atem sampu atwa no eso ni me mfaso enti enu nti na me ma media no so emekasa no but ade media se me kire ye challenge se wo beba be challenge me eye machi wade Some yama decide, some yama dear, and you try to challenge me. You try so bad just sad na me yano. And ya to so say a ya woo and wama me yes I will come out and fuck you up. Of course, yepe will be a ya crom for to media no so a ya wa. Wa wankasa wunia wa downfall. Ade Agradaa bonten oba son oba papa bi oba ho feba lady me panasempa but onya madamfo menene kasa da na de Agradaa bonten wo media no so of course aya na ye wadwen say won kwa na media no so no ye saint ba wonya saint o wo ye evil wo ye devil wo ye kromfo ye pe media no so obi o ye froster aya course unia ba de Agradaa bonten ama obetsna se ya wo sa ugigi sika e de akoma wunua no ekosi sen akoso aka fefe ewi ase kro no a wo boye ne Ghanafo a uchi wo mu diye chichi wo mu sika sa wo de kwakoboa sister Afia dede. Yes, that is the name. Ska wo de kwakoboa Afia dede efa he wani mu gu ase ma wo to da ho na wo de wani mu jobri no nkura sesem no ho basaye enu ho fi and I never media no so. And I want to say, and my send this canaman, and my send this canaman. But of course, some of us, our investigation that we did about the money you took from people, no, you did not deliver all the money to the woman. Oh, jisikano, and a ubumumienu, and I would fear be a common woman. You were using the media to fraud people, to manipulate people, to fool people. Of course, I make us some trouble. And you will stop on kwasi academy phobia kamasha demo. I decided not to come to the media and talk. It is how Jimmy someone about now page and so no. And not to the Baba maybe Kenyans as somebody actually no. And I am telling you, sir, me, I am the queen of the Facebook. And nobody can tell me what to do. I do whatever I want to do. It is thought that now but media no so near any be a content. Sister, you should respect us. Also, with Jimmy and other say, and I stubborn academy for Kananu, one come and what I'm not fighting any stubborn academy. You are the most useless woman in the media who I am trying some answer about to him. Of course, I am not fighting any stubborn academy, whatever you call yourself. But who you are a pretender. You pretend yourself, say you are innocent on the media, but you are not innocent. Of course, you are fucking malafaka, not innocent at the media. It is a total but nothing with Jimmy Uhua. I assess yourself before you fool yourself. What must I say? Some me video na me de batohwa. I did not bring the video for anybody to come and take it. Me na makoye me gym, makoye training, and my video na me de to me page. If you like, you can come and watch it. If you don't like, you can leave and go. But no nchirase but say na me my deal wo media na so am I just at this time no and kwasi antokwa bi wo ha me so no for you to come and sit on your page no I catch na me say stubborn na come adame fo aka me na wo akoso wo wan kasa wo betimi aka me ma no atum sister jay jimi no hwe wo jimi sama wo de betina media so tarnish me image and no ya kromfo and no ya za but wo ya ba media no so wo ya kromfo tachi amwa akosua ka fefe wo ya kromfo tachi amwa dwamanfo kwasampani kohweni abu adwan akosua ka fefe. That is you. That is you. So don't come and set your stupidity platform and say stubborn academy for kamanotum. I decided not to come to the media because I give you content and me mama content and my own fa na content no that I can help bola vono so mame. Now you use my content to say whatever you want to say, madam. Me dear, would Jimmy na would Jimmy ni mrebia yemfi wa wunya kwa ye hufu say. Tina u page so din kwasi asem no. Madam maninsi wa me catch no. Maninsi wa. And I am proud of myself. Me nye fake o. Ma wuma mu mako 5 children. Me wananano me ensa. And I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Monkwasi asebia mo betina media no so. And Agradaa na ho. And on tibi nye ne ho. And na ne ho ye say. And also ba skirt there. On sha. And then me call gym na me say yen twa meto abonten. Hey, enkrasifo bi mra metie nyansasem. Enkwasiafo nkrasifo bi omo ntia se o video na me de abeto abonte no. Mu ye nkrasifo en ma men kan nyansasem nkyere mo. There is time for everything. Oh, kwa sorry, e what the obeshe. Oh, kwa beach, e what the obeshe. Oh, kwa gym, e what the obeshe. Mu ye nkrasifo mu bi mu ya tete kwa. Mi hu se jimi fo bi bisa se. Atade na me ma hye no. Se me ma soli baby hye. Na wo de betena ma sorry them. I was a hypocrite. I was a jimi. Atade na hye me no. I am a woman of God. And I will not use this dressing to go and stand on my puppets. Me fa dressing when kojina puppet so. Me fa dressing when kojina sorry them. What am I saying? Me called training. I went to training and I went to gym. And I'm saying for camera na to me so. Now you who send me for me to post it in on my page. And Bible say, Abra Christo, who fair porno, Apostle Paul, Bogura, baby, a she, baby, a no son, baby, a no jot, for him to win the soul of them. And to say, any animal, my bad, will be almost a santa, the uncle, now we're cramming shank, baby, ya. A training in my core. No be any so called training so and you must say yes in classifobia my bed general but say webinars or she nobody can dictate my life for me. I mean can't you know mu young classifo mu be young cry me say video me post to ye and man will say the whole world nipa 80% a young classifo nipa be young classifo nipa be any me nipa be any me Debbie. Now what is the problem about the dress? Problem I want then. One no mani atse. Or no mani atse. Na enshame south of Maame. Me date club. Ka ube winka we shame na me tonight club. Ne bia me no nsana me. Eno na ya bad. But mako training. And me try me video na me dia to abonzen. And aka mo pese mo hu saka me digina beach mu ye nkurasefo. Mo mo mani nse na mo mo mani mpo. Mo mo bi nkurase. Someone it's getting too much. And send me tibia, I am proud of it. Send me tibia, I am proud of it. God has created me very beautiful. God has given me very beautiful color. And I have much money to do me too. So I'm 500 million. Meet me in more than 100 times. But it is not my choice. Obia want a choice. Obia want a choice. Also, money mo guase. And it has shocked you people. Mo be jina ho, and once be nyine na ho, and then now okro, and then now this, and then now this, and I surprise them. A famous rapture. A jamon some, I am one. Mumu bi mukunu mu video na mamo kote brembrem. Mukunu mu kote pepepepe. Mumu bi mukunu mu shishadem e famu de. Mukunu mu sere koko, nine koko. Etwase koko, etwase kwase akurase ni ba uti UK abuafunu abetwa me video we da kote wo say maame we bodam enya dam na me bo sister wo hu sa me ho ofechen wo hu sa me ho ofe you say when you're relevant so I will not give you attention madam wo hu sa me ho ofechen me wo hu sa me ho ofechen enya dam na me bo me say wo so sa your ba man crowd the true challenge amount come and show yourself. Come and show yourself. Me kano krachero. Sama post to me video no ababe cha. Mo de mo so do ma mo mpewa ho. Mo so fu krase ni jimi fu di ntrumu no. Ni di da mo mpe. Kwasi ampeni no awoko UK akoton cocaine no. Cocaine no di ko UK wi. A odi ko UK no. Ye ni na tama mo ho nto mo ho. Mo fa mo jimi yem na me melanche kwasi ampeni ni UK na wo bebe ko no. Osofo jimi fu dwedwentwie UK na wo be ko no. Me mra na me for secret odi ko UK ni mra meto abonte. Aboa odu migration ya wo hwie ni bag ngu ho. Odu migration wo wan search na hwo ase. Also majimi me tuana me yedia na mompe 1K momo love no so me tuana me yedia na mompe my video me mebo mudin you get the 2 minutes so baba betwa me video akotro caption say maami we abodam ma come gym na metwa me picture abeto abonte ma abodam kwasia mo so fo kronfo na waje covenant seed atuto ji di koke edi ko UK no onu krampo no odam ho mu de mo fa mu chimiem na me say member ni na kwantuo no obe sign by force Musum person dwe musum agime mum person dwe kwase ampani ba wo fi ate krase ni wanu suo oba fon aboa osofo ni bedu UK ho a ene ye be ba bonte abekenkai the reason why they were done ko UK aboa be makatachie e mema timi aboa mema more than 30 ano se branie ni utrum wo UK kwase osofo okodi utrum wo UK and when you are proud of this. You are proud of this. Coming out for people to know, say, you are traveling to UK. Abuwa jojenches of war. Kwasia, kona ko chat ni kurono. Yes, Agradaa na hun fe. Agradaa this, Agradaa that. And then ya de na hun abato. Eti mo sofuna ne na hun prun kuo. Ne na hun prun suo kuro peche no. Ni ya bua mema no egu UK suwa mra ni yeni ni trumu. Yeni ni trumu no nyiska no. Munkona muko chani kuro na mofame to mu page. Munkona muko chani kuro no. Na mofame na to mu page. Kwasiafo. This time my mama must switch you and I think say you people don't like you don't want peace.
Wow, abusuya enie Agradaa mama part. Abozeke mama obofour defa. Wa meka me a me meka jogging a okoye ya abusuya akofa nsem bebre aba no. Ehu video ene ho nsensem ana abusuafo ye di abramo no. Say we your first time wodi hwe video e was Skeleton Man TV a ene bomodin a subscribe medasi bebre.